Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to the determinant. For this, let A is equal to A, B, C, D be a 2 by 2 matrix. Then its determinant is denoted by modulus A, B, C, D and defined as real number AD minus BC. That is A times D minus B times C, which is associated to the matrix A. Then we write the determinant A is equal to A modulus is equal to A, B, C, D. Here A is multiplied with D and minus B multiplied with C. Dear students, now we are going to do a question by using the concept of determinant. The question is, if A is equal to 2 minus 3 1 2, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Similarly, B also a 2 by 2 matrix. Then find the determinant of 3A minus 2B. The solution of this question is given as, here matrix A is equal to matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3 1 minus 2. Firstly, we should find out 3A, that is 3A. So this 3 is this one 3, and in place of A we should write down this term 2 minus 3 1 minus 2. So you can see here 2 is multiplied with 3 is multiplied with 2. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3A is equal to this term. Similarly, here is minus 2B, that is 2B. So 2 is multiplied with matrix 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. So 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Dear students, now 3A minus 2B is written as 6 minus 9, 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 6. Here 6 is 6 and this minus multiplies with 2, so 2 times minus is minus 2, minus 9 is minus 9, and this minus 4 and minus here, so minus minus it will be plus 4. 3 is 3, and you can see here 6 3 is 3, and this minus 2 and minus, so minus minus it will be plus, so it is plus 2, and minus 6 is minus 6, and minus times 6 is minus 6, so we will get 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 6 is minus 12. Therefore, we have 3A minus 2B is equal to 4 minus 5, 5 minus 12. Dear students, we have to find out the determinant of 3A minus 2B. So we have to multiply 4 with minus 12. Here should be minus, and 5 with minus 5. Here should be plus. Here should be plus. So if we operate 4 times minus 12, and here is when we multiply 5 with this, so here should be minus according to the rule, so minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. 12 times 4 is 48, and this is minus it is plus 25. If we subtract 8 minus 5 is 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2, so here is minus. Therefore it is therefore we obtained 3a minus 2b. That is determinant of 3a minus 2b is equal to minus 23 is our required answer.